This is going to be a quick video on replacing your factory headlights with whatever kind of aftermarket headlights you have for your Jeep Wrangler 07 and on. So anyways, this is a 07 JK. Got these LED headlights. First step, pop the hood. Next step, you have these little clips along the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. What you're going to do, use a little screwdriver and pop the center out, get right in there, pop it out. You can see I already did it here. Pull that out, and once you have that out, let's see if I can get that. I need to set that aside. Grab your flathead, work it under there, try not to scratch the paint, and then pull those plugs out. You can do the opposite to put them back in. Once you have that, you can see the grill's loose. It's going to pop out from the bottom. We're going to have to unhook the running lights from each side. So move all this out of the way, and that's next. Once you get the grill off, this is what it should look like. Of course, there's an extra little screen on this one. But if you're having trouble, just pull on this lower edge when you're pulling the grill off, and it should pop out. Instead of undoing the clips, I just took the bulb out. It was a lot easier. Just turned it, popped right out. All right, now we got to take out these. So you can see there's silver tabs. Those are the ones you want to take off. Little star bolt. Don't take off any of the others. And then once you do, I already did this side. You're gonna have a clip. Pull that little red tab back. Pull it out. There's gonna be this little ring around the outside. Pop that off. Put that on your new headlight. And you're gonna have to line it up with the little pattern on there. And of course, there was a couple little extra pieces on here. This is to wire into your turn signal. I'm not going to do that right now. I just get them in, do it later. But yeah, get this all lined up. Get all this your new wiring back in and hooked up. It's plug and play, easy enough. All right, I'm going to keep moving on. One headlight is in, and one to go. Definitely gives it a little different look, that's for sure. Let's see how the difference is as far as brightness. Here are the two lights on. Get directly in front of it. That's the old light. This is the low beam on the new one. Guess we're gonna have to drive it at night to really see the difference. The lights are all finished. The new LEDs in. Here's a quick little peek on how they look. Just the low beams are on right now, and the high beams are on. All the LEDs are on. All right, guys, you do it. Good luck to you.